In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image by degrees in Canva. Whether you're looking to add a creative twist to your design or simply need to adjust the positioning of an image, knowing how to accurately rotate an image can be a useful skill to have in your toolkit. Canva, with its user-friendly interface, makes this process straightforward, and in no time, you'll be an expert at transforming your visuals. To start off, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open with the image you'd like to rotate. Once you're in your project, the first step is to click on the image itself. By clicking the image, you'll notice that a boundary or a border appears around it. This indicates that the image is now active and ready for editing. Now let's move on to the next step. You'll see a rotate icon that looks like a circular arrow near the border of the image. This icon is your tool for rotating. Simply click and hold this icon and then drag it in the direction you want your image to rotate. This motion can be clockwise or counterclockwise depending on what fits best for your design. As you drag the rotate icon, you'll notice that degrees appear, typically shown right next to your cursor or in a small text window on screen. This is incredibly useful when you need precision, such as rotating an image exactly 45 degrees or perhaps a full 180-degree flip. The degrees indicator helps in ensuring that you're getting the exact rotation needed for your project. Remember, as you're rotating, to keep an eye on how the image looks within your design. Sometimes a small adjustment can make a big difference in the overall composition and balance of your project, so don't hesitate to make tiny tweaks until it feels just right. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to rotate images by degrees in Canva. This technique is not only useful for adjusting alignment, but it also opens the door to creative design possibilities. You can experiment with rotating images to create dynamic layouts, emphasize certain elements, or simply add a bit of flair to your visual composition. If you're new to Canva or image editing in general, practicing rotating images will undoubtedly enhance your design capabilities. As you become more comfortable with these adjustments, you'll likely find yourself using this handy tool frequently in various projects. So take a moment to practice, try out different rotations, and see how it can enhance your designs. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials that will elevate your Canva skills. Happy designing!